Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add emoji to your TikTok video. Emoji are add as a layer to your video in post-production. First step is open the TikTok app on your mobile device. You record your video as normal and then add emoji as a layer. Afterwards, the same as your word stickers. Create a video and plan where you want your images to appear. Select the red tick icon in the bottom right of the screen. Tap on sticker. Select the emoji tab at the top of the window to access the emoji list. Select an emoji from the list and it will appear in your video. Drag and drop the emoji where you want to appear on your video. Repeat for as many emoji as you want to see in your video. Complete the video as you normally would. There are two options around each emoji as a timer and a pin option. Tap on emoji, choose option pin and set duration. The timer set a time for it to appear on screen, while the pin option enables you to attach a sticker to an object in the clip. And tap pin and change size relative to the video movement. To use the timer, select the option by the emoji and you will see a timeline appear at the bottom. Use this configuration when and for how long each emoji will appear in your video. Then select next and normally upload this video.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.